Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aries. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aries. Six of Swords, King of Swords, the Devil, Three of Wands, Queen of Swords, guys. Aries, with these cards, I feel you're really struggling hard in your life to make a place for yourself. So a few of you all, you may be journeying to a different city or state to take up job, or you may be shifting your residence. And for some of you all, you may feel you're using all your strength and effort and whatever capabilities you have in making things work. Maybe for some of you all, you may be moving away from your home, away from your person because of work, and you're feeling really sad because of that you're isolating yourself from your person, guys, that you have to stay away from them, and you really feel worried because of that, because of this work. And maybe you feel things are rushing towards you in such a way, with such a force, that you are made to decide on certain things. Some kind of you feel fate is intervening in your life, or destiny is playing its part, guys. This may be what your person feels about you, or you may feel this way in this relationship. Certain things come with such great haste and such great force. Your situation, the way things turn up in your life, you feel that something is literally pushing you into some kind of situation, Aries. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. Maybe some of you all have addiction problem also. Maybe you are addicted to some kind of routine also, guys, some kind of health routine, or some kind of bad behavior. Maybe something you just want to give up, you are really struggling to give up. That may also be there for some of you all, guys. Rider, Anchor, Clouds, Sun, Choices. So Aries, with these cards, I feel you have many choices, and you may feel confused in your life. This may be regarding your work or in this relationship. You have choice, you have the the right to decide how things go in your life, and you may have some kind of confusion regarding that, guys. But with this card, this is a very positive card, guys. It just nulls all the negative energies of other cards. So things are going to turn for the better, guys. You are going to get some important information, or some kind of important announcement. This may be regarding your work or your relationship, or this person is coming towards you. They may also be traveling with you, to be with you, to have this committed relationship with you. So your person is coming with some kind of information, guys, and you are what to say, you are having the strength and courage in your heart and that optimism to face anything that comes in your way, guys. So you are challenging the situation. So whatever is happening, whatever situation is coming your way, you are ready to take up that challenge and fight for what you feel right, guys. So whatever your dreams, whatever it is, you are really struggling hard to make those manifest. And today you are uh, kind of getting some kind of success in some ventures. Maybe something is completing, so you have some kind of victorious feeling in your heart. Some things are unfolding just the way they should. Some situations are happening. This may be in your work or in your relationship. Maybe this person wants a committed relationship with you, they are coming towards you, they want an engagement or they want marriage. So you definitely feel universe is guiding you towards some kind of destiny in your life, some kind of things that you need to go through in life, guys. And you are happy how things are going towards a positive change in life, and you feel that completion energy, some kind of happiness, because things are going in such a way that it will help you reach your goal, Aries. So that is the way you feel today, guys. Let us see what is coming up with the fairy guidance card, what the fairies are guiding us today, guys. Aries, strange Valentine, fairy of the green world, carnivorous flower fairy. With these cards, Aries, the fairies are telling us that this may be love, and the person you are with, you may be having a very good, what to say, um, this relationship would have rekindled the strong feelings, strong emotions you would have experienced when you were in love, and you would have felt that true happiness. So this may be the person for you, but you should be intuitively guided, guys, for what they are, what you feel in your heart of hearts. And sometimes you may be with people, you may come across people who just want to use you for their own agenda. They may use you for your work, make you work for them, but they will take credit for your actions, and they will get the benefits. So sometimes you need to beware of such people in your life, and they what to say, the whatever opportunity or choice that is coming towards you, that may be a sugar coated one. Outside it may look so beautiful and welcoming and attractive, but inside it may be quite a different thing. This may be regarding some person or some situation. So these fairies are warning us of some situations like that, guys, or some people like that whom you may be coming across in your life, Aries. And it is the time for you to relax, guys. Take a deep breath, go for a walk in the park, spend some time in nature, and what to say, help nature to grow, guys. Maybe you can plant a tree, maybe you can keep a garden, nurture the plants, nurture greenery around you. When you do that, it helps you to heal yourself. Nature, being in nature itself, it just gives so much positive energy to our being, guys. So that way when we are that way, when we are in nature, in natural surroundings, it just enriches our heart and it helps us to find that peace and quiet within ourselves. So that is what the fairies are telling us to do, Aries, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Aries. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.